The XPR extension identifies a Microsoft Expression Design graphic file containing vector and mixed media design data from Microsoft Expression Design. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, convert, or troubleshoot these design files. Final step preview. We will conclude by utilizing a comprehensive file inspection solution to instantly resolve the XPR error, a tool also capable of managing numerous other file types. XPR files are graphic design files from Microsoft Expression Design, a discontinued vector and pixel-based illustration application. They contain vector paths, text objects, bitmap layers, blend modes, and effects for creating user interface graphics, icons, and illustrations. Microsoft Expression Design. XPR files use a proprietary format, storing vector path, data raster layer, content blend mode, configurations, effect parameters, and artboard definitions. They support mixed vector and bitmap workflows, optimized for UI and web graphics creation. The source application for XPR is frequently listed as Microsoft Expression Design from Microsoft Corporation. Windows cannot fully interpret the file's proprietary XML structure for editing purposes. Windows reveals only simplified visuals, while full control resides in dedicated design software. The initial action is crucial. Right-click your XPR file and select Open With. Use Microsoft Expression Design if it's installed. It's the best candidate. If not, cycle through the remaining options until one works. When your XPR file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. We're going to use the universal fix, but it helps to know the source. Here are the most common technical culprits behind your system's rejection of the XPR file. First, opening the file. Install Microsoft Expression Design if available from legacy Microsoft downloads. Open the XPR file via File, then Open. Since Expression Design is discontinued, check if your version is still functional on your operating system version. Next, converting to standard formats. If Expression Design is available, export XPR files to XAML for WPF Silverlight PDF for print, SVG for web, or PNG for raster output. Use File, then Export to select the desired format with appropriate resolution and quality settings. Finally, migrating artwork. Since Expression Design is discontinued, migrate designs to Adobe Illustrator, Inkscape, or Affinity Designer, export from Expression Design in a supported format, then import into your new design application. Recreate complex effects that may not transfer between applications. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open-source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.